Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy USDT on Bitbuy. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your web browser, and on the search bar simply type in bitbuy.com. And once you're inside the homepage, simply log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing this kind of homepage. Now, under it you'll be seeing digital currency balances, right? In order to buy, what you need to do is simply scroll down and then search for USDT. And once you do that, here, let's just assume this is the USDT. Now, all you gotta do is click on buy. Or, what you can do is just simply click on express trade, and then you'll be sent to this page express trade. Now, we need to buy, then just select the option that says buy, and here click on the drop down menu and you'll have an option that says USDT. And all you gotta do now is just use the available amount or enter in the amount that you want to buy. And all you gotta do is just simply click on buy Bitcoin. And once you do that, here a transaction summary will be displayed to you. All you gotta do is check it, and once you have confirmed it, all you gotta do now is click on buy chain link. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.